Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, happy July. We've got an interesting week this week. I mean, we got the holiday jammed right into the middle of the week. So today's a normal day. Tomorrow's a normal day. Actually, it's not a normal day. Tomorrow we got an early close. Then you've got a trading halt on Wednesday. So basically, Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, Globex is going to be closed, and then we get back into Thursday, Friday. So I'll be interested to see what the volume looks like today. As far as people just staying where they were yesterday versus coming back and trading and moving things and doing the stuff that actually moves markets. And I'm not quite sure how interested the market is going to be in doing much. What it's been interested in doing in Globex is going down. So yesterday, Friday morning, the bulls had their best chance to kind of try to reverse things and at least get it back to the daily mid-band. They failed to do that. In spectacular fashion. They were able to get up into the 40s, and then as you can see, things rejected back through. That rejection found resistance again at the 50-day and the 9-day. And we've gone ahead and made a lower low versus Friday and are back to the round number testing the lower Bollinger Band. So the band ride's over. You can see here there was no interaction with the band. We've come right back to re-engage the band here Sunday night into Monday morning. Whether they can continue to do that and expand that band to the downside is going to be a lot of what this week is about. So you've got a new weekly pivot up at 27.1958. You got a new monthly pivot up at 27.3667. The weekly pivot is achievable for a test today if they get some momentum going into the open. I would be interested to see how price reacts to that area once it gets there. To the downside, they need to break last week's low, 26.9325, and if they're going to do that, then they need to slowly and steadily progress down with an area here at the 200-day that everybody, bearish, bullish, and otherwise, would be very interested to see how price is going to react. Now, holiday week typically favors the bulls, right? I mean, we know this. So if they can get up over the top of the weekly pivot, could they walk it back up to the Friday high over the course of the next couple days? Absolutely. Absolutely. So the tack that I'm going to take this morning when we open is just to kind of back off and see what this thing wants to do. And that would be my suggestion for everybody. And then let price and risk kind of guide your way through and find some trades today. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out on social in a little bit. Until then, trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.